Hello everyone, welcome to join EW3000GX launch and unlock helpful features of ES Serial Switch webinar. The event will begin in 10 minutes. Please scan the QR code with your Reyee app to register for the lucky draw. Thank you.
5 minutes. Please scan QR code to your Reyee app to register this event. Thank you. Welcome to join EW3000GX This event will begin in 5 minutes. In 1 minute, please scan QR code to the Reyee app to register your event. Thank you.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to today's Reyee webinar. Select Reyee to be expert you want to be. Let's start. I'm Ariana, the GTM of Reyee Home Wi-Fi.
Hello, I'm Dario, the marketer for Reyee Home Wi-Fi.
Okay, Dario, this is my first time to enjoy the webinar.
Yes, welcome, Oriana. Such a pretty expert. Actually, I'm surprised that you are available to join us today.
Thank you. Both of us are responsible for home Wi-Fi. So today webinar begin with the home Wi-Fi router. Do we have any new home Wi-Fi product of our dear partners?
Of course we do. If we didn't bring any new products or solutions, we wouldn't be here.
Oh, what's the new product?
It's EW3000GX.
Right, EW3000GX. I think some of our partners may have already heard about it.
Yes, actually, we have done all the prep work well, and we will launch it this month very soon.
Okay, so before the launch, I think we need to introduce it to our partner first.
Sure, that's our goal for today's webinar.
I can here is the 3000 megabit 556 router with 2 1 points. What does this mean? Get more for less. It's slogan.
Yes, you know, Wi-Fi 6 products are usually very expensive on the market.
Yeah.
But our new home Wi-Fi router, EW3000GX, I can tell you that it has a very competitive price, even cheaper than our another Wi-Fi 6 router, EW1800GX Pro.
It's unbelievable. EW1800GX Pro is a great router. You mean a 3000 megabit router is cheaper than a 1008 megabit router?
Correct.
Wow. With such a low price, the quality should be good, right?
Don't worry, quality is our top priority. Before we introduce it, let's watch a video together.
Okay.
Okay.
EW3000GX, the new generation 3000 megabits per second Wi-Fi 6 router. With an enterprise-class CPU, EW3000GX supports 160 MHz bandwidth. The speed test can reach over 900 megabits per second. Dual WAN ports provide you with flexible connectivity. You can set up any feature you want. Using link aggregation, unlock new realms of speed. Wireless speed testing can reach up to 1,600 megabits per second. Equipped with 5 high-gain antennas, EW3000GX provides full Wi-Fi signal coverage. Looking to expand your network? Reyee Mesh enables interconnection between different Reyee home router models. To easily manage your network, all you need is the Reyee app, compatible with all models. AI diagnostics. Scheduled reboot. Change password. Extra antenna, extra WAN port. Get more for less. It's EW3000GX.
Okay, this video highlighted a lot of features, and like the first feature is 160 megahertz bandwidth. You know, there are many Wi-Fi 6 home Wi-Fi routers on the market, but in fact, not every one of them supports 160 megahertz. Some of them only support 18 megahertz, so their speed is not very high, even if they are Wi-Fi 6 routers. And the EW3000GX supports 160 megahertz, so its wireless speed can reach over 900 megabits.
Wow, awesome. With over 900 megabits, I can enjoy Blu-ray video and play game without any lag.
Sure. And sometimes I see people asking online why their gigabit bandwidth and gigabit router can only achieve over 600 megabits in speed tests. It's likely due to this. Therefore, EW3000GX is a cost-effective choice for achieving full gigabit bandwidth.
Here I have a question.
Mhm.
Why the routers both 160 Hz and reach faster speeds than those do not support it? Can you explain it?
Sure, that's because 160 MHz provides more channel width, which means having more real speed. Especially, we will notice it in places near the Wi-Fi router. Only 3000 megabits routers or above have 160 megahertz. Imagine there are two roads, one with only two lanes, which will easily get congested, and the other with four lanes. The vehicles on it can move faster.
Okay, it's easy to understand. How much does 160 megahertz actually improve wireless speeds?
In order to showcase its performance, we prepared a comprehensive test data to verify the speed of EW3000GX and also compared it with another Wi-Fi 6 home Wi-Fi router, the EW3000GX Pro. And as you can see here, in the 2.4 gigahertz band, both routers perform almost identically. However, in the 5 gigahertz band, the difference is noticeable, especially at a close distance to the router. The speed of the EW3000GX is over 200 megabits faster than the EW1800GX Pro.
I noticed that both the routers still have a signal after passing room 2 walls.
Yes, so in most apartments, both of them can provide perfect coverage. In addition to comparing it with our 1800GX Pro, we also compared it with other brands' 3000 megabits routers to ensure the authenticity of the data. We used several different brands of mobile phones for testing.
Looked like that your testing were very clear.
Sure. We have always placed great importance on the quality of our products. So the test results shows that whether it is 1 watt or 2 watts, our speed is about 60% or 70% higher than competitors.
That's unbelievable.
To be honest, I was also surprised when I saw this data. So I got an EW3000GX from my dear Jackie, and he is currently answering our partners' questions. And I tested it in the office myself. You know, the network environment in the office is very complex. There are countless Wi-Fi signals that can have a significant impact on EW3000GX, but I was very satisfied with its test results. I shoot a video myself. Let's watch it together. Okay.
Let's together.
Hello guys. Today we are going to test our new home Wi-Fi router EW3000GX. And my product manager tell me it can reach over 900 megabits. So today we can test it on site. And this laptop has already connected to our new home Wi-Fi router. Wow, that's impressive. Over 960 megabits. Okay, and we have to test its Wi-Fi signal coverage. So let's go and follow me. There's a very long distance between our second test spot and our router. And there's about 2 small meeting rooms between these spots. to the router. Okay, let's start again. Over 100 megabits. Okay, how do you think this testing results? I think it's good enough. Thanks for watching and bye. Okay, I think we don't need to worry about the signal coverage of EW3000GX. The results prove it's good. Besides speed, the EW3000GX has many ports, including two 1 ports.
Yes, the two 1 ports offer many features.
Okay, Oriana, do you use the dual 1 ports on your home Wi-Fi router?
Yes, I use link aggregation because my ISP provides around 1,200 megabits. Use only one port would be able to achieve a fast speed.
Is it one ISP?
Yeah.
Okay, I think you can subscribe to packages from two different ISPs so that if one ISP has an issue, the other ISP's line can act as a backup. If one ISP goes down, it takes around about 40 seconds to a minute for EW3000GX to automatically switch to the other ISP.
This feature is very useful, but it set it up complicated.
Not at all. You don't need to do any setup. All the settings are pre-configured once you connect to the dual one. If you want some specific settings, you can enter our eWeb interface.
Oh, that's great. It's very useful for users who are not familiar with configure router.
In addition to these two most important features we mentioned, like all our other routers, EW3000GX also supports Reyee Cloud, so you can remotely manage your network.
Of course, cloud management is most important.
Right.
Actually, there is one more thing that is also very important.
What's that?
You mentioned that price earlier.
Yes, the price. Actually, I can't give you the exact price because I don't know it myself, but I can say that its price is very attractive, even a bit aggressive.
Amazing. I can't wait to get it. So this is our new home Wi-Fi product, EW3000GX, with 5 GP ports, 2 GP port 1 ports, and the speed test ranging over 900 megabits.
Correct.
I have a question, and I believe our partners may have some questions. We already have a Wi-Fi 6 router that is very similar to the EW3000GX, which is the EW3000GX Pro. What are the difference between these models, or what are the difference between product with and without the Pro logo?
Yeah, let me show you. The routers with the Pro label are usually more powerful than those without this label, while the most important one is FEM. All routers with the Pro label have FEM chips. Here are two examples, the EW300 Pro and EW3000GX Pro. They both have FEM chips, while EW300N and EW3000GX do not.
Yes, the FEM chip can enhance the signal strength. Generally, routers with FEM chips have a better signal strength after the signal passes through walls.
Do you remember the battle between EW3000GX and EW1000GX Pro?
Mm-hmm.
At a very long distance, EW1800GX Pro is slightly stronger than EW3000GX. That's due to fan.
That's reason.
All right, so here's a table of all Reyee home routers. So many models, and the models with red borders have fan chips. And our two extenders, EW1200R and EW300R, they also have fan. So their signal amplification function is very good.
So I noticed two routers that look different from the others.
Which two?
M18 and M13 those two
Okay.
routers have a significant difference in appearance compared to other routers. The other
Yes.
routers have antennas, while these two routers have no antennas. Do they have a special design?
Yes, their design is very different, but you got one thing wrong. They do have antennas. You can see them because they are internal. Yes, this doesn't affect their signal strength. Moreover, they both have fan, so you don't need to worry about signal strength. They have a special appearance, and some people prefer this design.
Okay.
They both are Wi-Fi 6 and have fan, and after mesh, their coverage is extensive.
It's apparent that the hardware is both hand-end.
Actually, I prefer M32. Its casing has a great texture.
Yes.
Another difference from regular routers is that M18 and M32 are usually paired for networking, suitable for large apartments or two-story houses. They mesh with each other to ensure a larger network coverage.
Yes, mesh is an important feature because the coverage of a single route is usually limited. In a relatively large house, some areas may have a poor signal, such as the bathroom and bedroom. One of my friends told me before the single in his bathroom, but very poor. I recommended him use M13 and it worked very well.
Yes, you can't rely on a single router, even if it has a lot of antennas and fan.
Yes, but their price is a bit high, right?
Yes, indeed they are expensive, but this is because their quality is good enough. And there is a special indicator light design on the top of them. When they are wirelessly meshed, the indicator lights will show you the signal strength between them. If you place these two mesh routers too far apart, or there are too many obstacles between them, the mesh effect will be poor. The indicator lights can help you know where to place them for the best signal.
It's like displaying Wi-Fi or 4G signal strength on a phone.
Yes, this indicator light visualizes the signal strength. Although ordinary routers also support mesh, but it's difficult to know the actual signal strength between them.
This designer is great and can help users save time. For example, my friends know nothing about router, but I told him that he can observe the included lines to know the mesh signal strength after price to routers. He told me that everything was fine and the indicator line showed that the mesh signal was good.
Okay, Oriana, please tell me, besides M18 and M32, what other routers do we have that support mesh because we have too many products now?
This answer to this question is very simple. You just need to remember that all our Wi-Fi 5 and Wi-Fi 6 routers support Reyee mesh. That's all.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yes, this also includes our two extenders and most importantly, all routers that support mesh can mesh with each other.
Mhm.
So you don't need to worry about mix different models. You can easily expand your network. Moreover, all routers that support mesh have a mesh button on them. You just need to press the mesh button on one of the routers and they will automatically connect with each other. This feature is very powerful and convenient, but I have a question.
Tommy.
The horizontal axis of this table only goes up to Wi-Fi 6. So
Are you asking about number larger than 6?
yes.
Okay, of course. We will a number larger than 6, which is the Wi-Fi 7 home router. We will soon release our new Wi-Fi 7 router. So don't be worried. It will meet with everyone soon.
Okay. So now we have finished our first half webinar on home Wi-Fi routers. Don't leave this webinar because now we will continue with the second half on ES serial switch. Also, the lucky draw will start in the second half. If you have any questions about the EW3000GX or other home Wi-Fi routers, please let us know. And our product manager, Jackie, is answering your questions in QA. Now let's welcome our switch managers.
Welcome.
Okay, thanks for Dario's introduction of EW3000GX, and that is the expert in home Wi-Fi. And now it's time for Reyee switch, and together with us to be expert in CCTV solution. Hello everyone, I'm Reyee Switch Marketing Manager. Today I invited the GTM to join me in the webinar.
Hello everyone, this is John, Product Line GTM Manager of Reyee.
So today we will introduce some helpful functions of ES series switch in CCTV network together.
Yes.
Okay. I know that our ES series switch is very popular overseas with many features integrated with the cloud and is often used in CCTV projector by our customers. And in 2024, there are more than 300,000 devices connected to the cloud. And functions related to ES200 like SOM, PoE port reboot, and the extend mode also widely reused. For example, PoE port reboot is used more than 150,000 times this year, and the extend mode is used more than 10,000 times. I think this is an impressive number because we have such amazing achievements just halfway through this year.
Well, nice.
Yeah. And these devices are usually deployed in retail stores or different types of hotel and office scenarios. So John, do you know what makes ES200 the top choice for our customers in the CCTV network?
Okay, so I think it's because with ES200 and the Reyee Cloud, we support our CCTV customers from both pre-sales to post-sales, save their time and money.
Yeah, I noticed that you mentioned we provide support from pre-sales to post-sales. But what specific benefits does ES200 offer in these stages?
Many features from ES200 and the Reyee Cloud are widely used and well recognized by CCTV customers. So today, we will show you those cool and popular features.
That's great. Let's explore step by step. So the first stage, in the pre-sales stage, I know that our installers need to do site surveys to determine the deployment and the installation, and also they need to deliver the product list.
The BOM list.
Yeah, but the site survey usually require on-site visits. Yeah, it is time-consuming and labor-intensive. When set up surveillance or the wellness coverage, it often based on their experience, right? And easily leads to the coverage at dead zones.
Yes.
And in this stage, installers also need to deliver product list. But manually creating the list is time-consuming and prone to errors. These are the common challenges, I think.
Yes.
So in order to solve these problems in CCTV project, we have AI heat map. And I guess some of you have already watched our previous webinar that Reyee Cloud has seen significant upgrades and integrating AI technology. For instance, AI heat map allows simulation of the equipment deployment and the coverage, and without on-site survey. So it saves time and effort. And it is more accurate and professional. So furthermore, you can define your own products beside Reyee products. All other devices can be added in one list. Here we have a video to introduce this function.
How to use AI heat map in CCTV network. Open the AI heat map and create the project. Upload the floor plan and set scale. The walls will be recognized automatically. Add camera specifications to the products. Back to the BOM page. Then you can use the CCTV deployment simulation and check surveillance coverage. You can also add switches and gateway products. Click the export. You will get a report with the product list, network topology, and CCTV simulations. Right now, use AI heat maps to make your CCTV network more efficient.
So the AI heat map is really cool and it can solve the challenges in the pre-sales stage.
Yes, people. Now, heat map even for IP cameras coverage.
Yeah.
And from what I heard, AI heat map was so convenient that some CCTV brands, so they were suggesting their users to go to Reyee Cloud log onto AI heat map and do a site survey for their IP cameras coverage.
Wow, that's cool. Okay, let's proceed to the next stage. The second stage is the deployment, including installation and configuration. And I know that in CCTV light work, there are many devices requiring complex configuration to organize the network. So what are the challenges during this stage?
Okay, first, basic configurations such as management IP, password, and so on. So you need to be done. And usually, so customer, they might be facing maybe 5, sometimes 20, sometimes 50 switches to be configured. Time wasting. Second, in mid or large scale network, so we want to separate those CCTV traffics from other traffics. VLAN might be your best choice. So do we need a network engineer instead of only CCTV engineer?
But it sounds like the difficulties encountered are more complex in this stage. So in order to solve this problem at this stage, firstly, we can achieve rapid network organization through scanning the QR code.
The famous ISO.
Yeah. In fact, I know that many installers have already used this function, and it is easy and it does not need complex technical skills, right?
Yes, and in addition to easy configuration, so all devices and terminals within the network, they can be automatically recognized and displayed on your topology.
It's really convenient and solve the challenges we mentioned before. But how do we configure VLAN? This seems like a complex problem.
So actually, 2 years ago, so we launched our BYOD solutions together with Reyee Cloud, EG, RAP, ES. So if you want to configure VLAN, so from that, no console cable, no CLI, no laptops, and no need to be a professional network engineer. So you can easily complete the VLAN configuration just by steps on our Reyee app on your cell phone.
Really? How can you complete the configuration just with a mobile phone?
Okay, so let me show you.
Okay.
Different clients exist on a network, such as PCs and cameras. When a camera is running, broadcast or abnormal traffic often occurs, imposing negative effects. Configuring VLANs ensures the stability of the CCTV network and effectively isolates the broadcast and abnormal traffic. Open Reyee app, tap the target project. Choose Workspace and find VLAN config in the Advanced tab. Tap Add and choose Wired to create a wired VLAN. Enter the VLAN name and VLAN ID. Select a switch for IPC access. Choose the ports for camera connection. Tap OK. And save the configuration. You can choose Config and tap VLAN settings on the project details page to check whether the VLAN is configured successfully.
So we can use a mobile phone to finish the VLAN configuration. I think that is easy for me. Of course, it's easy for everyone. So we really defined the EV network.
Of course.
Okay, the next stage. How about the post-sales stage? What are the challenges in post-sales?
Challenges. First, problems.
Yeah.
We want to know when, where, and what as soon as they happen.
Yeah.
Second, solutions. What should we do to solve those problems, especially from remote?
Yeah. So if there is a problem with the network, how can we detect the issues before the customers?
Okay, so here comes a very famous real-time alarm. The Reyee Cloud shall alarm you about when, where, and what happens. Let you know what problems even before user notices. Also, not only notifications this time, but we are providing you suggestions and even shortcut to deal with those problems.
Yeah.
Lots of them, they could be solved from remote with Reyee Cloud. No need to go on site in many cases.
So the installers can know the problems before the customers, and they can receive the notification from both our web and the Reyee Cloud application.
Exactly.
Yeah. I noticed that in the screen, the alarm notification indicated that a camera failure and suggest trying reboot. So sometimes the failure of the camera can be solved by remote reboot.
Of course.
Yeah, and I know that about 75% of every camera failure can be solved with a simple reboot. With this function, you can reboot camera without going on site and solve the problems within a few seconds. Also, it provides individual port reboot. It won't affect the use of other ports.
So this one will be very important. Individual port reboot.
Yeah, that is important. Okay, there are some other challenges in CCTV network maintenance. For example, how to check the whole CCTV system, how to remotely troubleshoot camera issues. For this question, installers still have to go on site and check the NVR. That is time-consuming.
Okay, so for remote access to your local NVR or IP cameras, so we are providing you two ways, or we say two features, one temporary and one permanent. So that will be NAT traversal. Also, previously we called that the internet access. Now it's NAT traversal, the same function. And another one will be Reyee DDNS. With help from Reyee Cloud and Reyee EG. So NAT traversal builds a temporary tunnel between your cell phone, laptop, to your local NVR or IP cameras. So that means even without DDNS, or only armed with a private IP, so you can access to your local devices from internet. Whenever you want to log onto your remote NVR or IP camera and do some in-detailed configuration, so this NAT traversal will definitely help. However, please remember, one, EG and Reyee Cloud are required, not only ES200 at this time. Two, this tunnel is only for temporary use. It will expire within 1 hour.
It sounds convenient, but does it require complicated configuration steps?
It doesn't. Actually, if you have watched our last night's webinar, configuration of NAT traversal was already demonstrated with Reyee app. So this time, we could show you the Reyee Cloud web version of configuration.
NAT traversal enables external networks to access the intranet. In CCTV scenarios, it allows for remote access to NVR configurations or the viewing of recorded videos, thereby making remote operation and maintenance more efficient. In Reyee Cloud, open the project and click NAT traversal in the device configuration. Click Add Tunnel. Define the app name and type. Input the internal host address. Click OK. On the NAT traversal page, you can view the device enabled with NAT traversal. Toggle on the switch. To create a tunnel, click Open to redirect to the NVR login page through the browser. You can also click Select a client on the NAT traversal page. Select the device to be connected. The client name, app type, inside host, and port number of the device are automatically filled in.
It is easy, but I just heard you mention that NAT traversal duration is automatically expired. So if installers need to do long-term remote management, what should they do?
Okay, so for long-term, or we here say permanent remote access and management, so we have another feature for you that will be Reyee DDNS. So people know that if you have DDNS and the NAT forwarding settings, so even router working at a dynamic IP address, so you could build the access from remote to your local NVR or cameras. So that one won't be limited to hours, not temporary anymore. However, for most DDNS services, so if you want steady, you want quality, you need to pay. And also you need to upgrade year by year. So now you have our Reyee DDNS by Reyee Cloud built in with our EG and for free.
Yeah, that's cool.
And the configuration of our Reyee DDNS could be finished within clicks. Just directly go to Reyee Cloud Web and the Reyee app. Enable and enjoy.
Okay, so we talked so much about the function and the Reyee Cloud. I have one question. There are so many features related to Reyee Cloud. I really want to know what are the difference between Reyee Cloud and the other brands' cloud.
Recently, some other CCTV vendors, brands, they are also trying to help their customers with cloud and app services. Some partners or as customers might get confused. So many clouds, which one shall I choose? Based on our nature of a networking device vendor, and our understanding of the business scenario and the pain points of the customers. So we have those key differences to some other clouds. We have almost all types of networking devices, including router, AP, switch, and even firewall. So our cloud sure supports all of them. The networking devices support on those other clouds, so mostly focusing on switches. And our limited lifetime free cloud management policy stays the same. Unlimited device managed capacity within a single account or project for free. Other clouds might ask you for value-added fees. From pre-sales to post-sales, we have site survey tools, AI features. One key difference here is that we don't need any local activation steps during SON. Much quicker to get your switches onto cloud.
I think that our cloud have absolute advantages.
Of course.
So how about a managed switch? It is possible to visualize a managed switch in the cloud.
Yes. Now, if you want to see them, even those unmanaged switches, so they could be visible on our Reyee Cloud topology with one QR code scan.
Okay, let's watch it.
Open one of the project and choose the actual topology in the upper right corner. Click the icon on the right to turn it blue. If an unmanaged switch needs to be visualized on Reyee Cloud, at least one managed switch needs to be deployed on the same network. Click the switch and scan the QR code. Find the unmanaged switch and choose the uplink port.
refresh the topology, and the unmanaged switch will be visualized on Reyee Cloud.
I think that is cool. Even our unmanaged switch can also be visualized on the Reyee Cloud. Okay, I know that in the first half of this year, we have launched some new switches, such as our new unmanaged switches. Okay, like this. This is our ES0 series switch. It's tiny and white one, has 8 ports. Okay, and then
This ES200.
yeah, and then is our unmanaged switch ES100 series switch. The PoE1. For the PoE1, it supports the PoE watchdog and the long-term transmission. Okay.
And people, no fiber port. Okay, ES200.
Yeah, we have ES200GX switches, and it supports the fiber. And we added the fiber port in order to fulfill some requirements in the CCTV network.
Yeah, long distance use fiber, and now you have the port.
Okay, so and we hope that with these switches combined with the cloud-based features, we can make the CCTV network convenient and efficient. Okay, that is all about the ES series switch and the CCTV solution and the EW3000GX home Wi-Fi. But before we come to the end, let me invite you to finish a quick survey on our webinar.
Okay, people, poll time.
Your feedback will be very helpful for us to improve our webinar. Don't hurry to leave. There is a lucky draw awaiting you. And we will wait 1 minute for you to finish this poll. It's not only about the product, but also your feelings about our webinar. So we will wait 1 minute.
Yeah, 9 questions, but very easy, people. Just use your fingers and choose your options, and that's it. Okay, here comes the poll.
Okay, we will wait for 1 minute. And after the poll, we will have the lucky draw of the webinar. I found that some of you have finished it.
Yes, people, very easy questions. We're satisfied with the webinar. And then we are talking about, please select your overall satisfaction and another satisfaction. And what kind of features you like. Whoa, thank you for your choice.
Don't hurry to leave. There's a lucky draw waiting you, and we will wait for 1 minute. Okay, now it's time for our lucky draw of today's webinar.
Check in lucky draw.
We will have 5 winners in 1 round, and the winner will have $25 Amazon gift card, and it will be delivered via email. So if you did not scan the QR code, you can scan it, and we will wait 30 seconds, and we will begin the lucky draw. So please scan it.
Okay, so people, take out your cell phone and open your Reyee app and scan the QR code. Scan this QR code and join our check-in lucky draw. That will be $25 big gift card for you.
Okay. So Henry, could you please share the lucky draw screen with us? Okay, we have 5 winners. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start.
Who are those lucky 6, right? Oh, lucky 5.
5, yeah.
Lucky 5.
Okay,
Congratulations, Albin Safat, CSB Net PL, and WP. Sorry about that. But actually, you can. But don't worry, we already made. And I think one of them, Fabio, that's our Reyee people, right? Hello, Fabio. Thank you for supporting us.
This is the Reyee people.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe one more time, Fabio.
Yeah,
congratulations, but not for the gift.
Okay.
Sorry.
We will have another round.
Yeah, but only one people.
Yeah.
The other 4, we will continue providing gifts for you. Don't worry.
Okay, we will have another round.
Yeah. So this time, Henry, only one candidate. Okay, only one selectees.
One winner. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start.
Oh my God, that's Rashida. Come on. I'm not sure if this Rashida is Rashida from Reyee or let's say, oh, sorry, but I think that's from Secure. Okay, so congratulations. Okay.
Congratulations. Okay. Okay, that's all for the webinar today, and it's also the end of our one-week launch event. Thank you for joining the webinar. And I know that some of you join the event with us every day. Thank you for staying with us. See you next time.
Thank you very much. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.